Welcome to day 21 of our data science journey. Today we're diving into why Python is the backbone of modern data science. It's more than just a programming language, it's a versatile tool for everything data related. Python's simplicity, combined with its powerful libraries, has made it the top choice for data scientists worldwide. From data manipulation to machine learning, Python handles it all with remarkable ease and efficiency. Python's biggest strength in data science is its extensive library ecosystem. Libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn are designed to make data handling and analysis efficient. Let's explore a quick example using Pandas and NumPy. In our example, we create a basic dataset using Pandas, containing names, ages, and salaries. Then, using NumPy, we generate random bonuses for each individual, showcasing how seamlessly Pandas and NumPy work together. Another huge advantage of Python is its active community. If you're stuck on a problem, forums like Stack Overflow offer answers and tutorials. The community also drives constant improvements to the language and its libraries. Python's ability to integrate with other languages and tools makes it invaluable in real-world projects. Whether working with SQL databases or deploying machine learning models, Python bridges the gap between research and practical implementation. Here's an example of Python integrating with SQL. Here, we're using SQLite to store some employee data and then reading it into a Pandas data frame for further analysis. This showcases how easily Python integrates with databases, allowing for seamless data extraction and analysis. Python's simplicity, vast library support, and strong community make it an irreplaceable tool in data science. It bridges the gap between complex analysis and real-world applications, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. Tomorrow, we'll start exploring one of Python's most powerful libraries for data manipulation, Pandas. Get ready to dive deep into data with this essential tool.